Today, I'll show you how to take long scrolling screenshots on Android. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, check if your phone supports this feature. Most Android devices with versions 11 or newer have a built-in scrolling screenshot option. Here's how to do it. Open the app or web page you want to capture. Take a normal screenshot by pressing the power and volume down buttons at the same time. After capturing, a preview will appear at the bottom or top of your screen. Look for the Capture More or Scroll option and tap it. Scroll down to include more content, then tap Done or Save when you're finished. If your phone doesn't have this feature, you can use third-party apps like Longshot or Stitch and Share. Go to the Google Play Store and search for these apps. Install your preferred app and open it. Follow the app's instructions to capture or stitch screenshots. For example, in Longshot, you can take multiple screenshots, and the app will automatically combine them into one long image. That's it. Now you can easily capture long scrolling content on your Android device.